the magical colors of friendship.
In the lively village of Rangpur, Holi was the most exciting time of the year. The streets were usually filled with bright colors, laughter, and delicious sweets. But this year, something strange happened. On the morning of Holi, Tanvi and Jaswant ran outside, ready to splash colors on their friends. But when they threw their first handful of red powder, something shocking happened. The color jumped back and splashed on their own faces.
What just happened?
Jaswant blinked, now covered in red. Before they could understand, a packet of blue powder on the ground suddenly wiggled and flew away. The colors were alive. Tanvi and Jaswant chased after the flying colors, dodging floating splashes of green, yellow, and pink. This Holi has turned into a magical mess, Tanvi giggled, wiping purple off her nose. The kids ran to Grandpa Hari, the wisest man in the village. Grandpa Hari chuckled.
Looks like you have woken up the Rangali spirit.
The what?
Jaswant asked. Grandpa explained.
Long ago, the colors of Holi had their own mischievous spirits. But they only come alive when someone forgets to share their colors with others.
Tanvi and Jaswant suddenly remembered the night before. They had secretly hidden some of their favorite colors so they could keep them for themselves.
Oh no!
Tanvi said.
The colors must be upset because we were selfish.
Determined to fix their mistake, they gathered all the children in the village and shouted, "Let's share our colors and play together." As they started throwing colors at each other with joy and laughter, the mischievous powders stopped flying away and began behaving normally. The Rangoli spirits were happy again. At the end of the day, Tanvi and Jaswant stood covered in every color imaginable. Lesson learned. Jaswant laughed. Colors are meant to be shared. Moral of the story, Holi. Celebrate joy, friendship, and spread happiness.